We're going to talk about also the rules of thumb for tugging specific workouts. I train to play with my dog, which might sound funny to someone who isn't in our circle, but when you're in our circle, I think you understand, and that's why you're here too. We are going to now talk about your lower back. So people often think about, here's the problem, the solution must lie in doing exactly a targeted, exercise for that one specific area. And your lower back really is best supported by strengthening your core, by strengthening your legs and glutes, and also by being aware of your body positioning. The ground you're standing on might not always be predictable. Being able to, so quick footwork and working on, for example, some agility drills like in a ladder would be really helpful. Those kinds of things can help your ankles, your feet, your hips be able to adjust for very fast movements, again, for you to help find your balance in those things, build more ankle strength and all that stuff can be really helpful in you being able to handle yourself, not necessarily even with the tugging part, but yourself in uneven terrain, and also uneven terrain with a dynamic source of resistance, which would be our dogs. This is exactly what I'm talking about. She's dropped her hips, so her center of gravity is low, so she can really dig into the strength of her legs. She's got one leg forward, which is going to help her absorb that force, less exposure of risk of injury to her lower back. Her back's in a nice flat position and her arms are bent. So this dog can really pull back on her hard. She's able to straighten her arms a little bit more, step forward with the other leg, keeping her arms in that bent position, and then keeping her body in a much safer spot.